Hey everyone! Anticipated as a popular sub-flagship smartphone, the Xiaomi 14T Pro certainly lives up to expectations. It makes a strong impression on the smartphone market almost immediately because of its superior camera chip, 144Hz AMOLED screen, and affordable price that puts it below premium models. The Xiaomi T series has a reputation for offering high-end features at an affordable price, and the 14T Pro is no exception, albeit with a few subtleties to be aware of. The Xiaomi 14T Pro has a stylish gray titanium color. However, instead of real titanium, the device's ends are made of brushed aluminum. The colors blue and black are other choices. The build quality is utilitarian, with a frosted glass back that resists fingerprints and an aluminum frame. It is comfortable to handle due to its non-slip design and flat, slightly rounded edges, and its curved back cover enhances the ergonomic feel. The buttons have been sensibly positioned, with the ribbed power button being particularly easy to locate just by touch. The design is modern and minimalistic, yet it lacks the signature wow element in terms of beauty. Its sizable yet understated camera bump on the back gives it the appearance of a mid-range handset, making it easy to confuse for one. Still, a lot of people will probably find the design's simplicity appealing, and the premium case that comes with it is a nice extra. The display on the Xiaomi 14T Pro is one of its best qualities. It features a 6.67-inch AMOLED screen with 2712 by 1220 pixel resolution and a refresh rate of 144 Hz. Excellent visibility is ensured in all situations by the colors being true to life, the contrast and saturation being perfect, and the brightness reaching a peak of 4000 nits in HDR mode. There is a tiny disclaimer though. Although the interface in the majority of programs seem to only operate at 120 Hz, the display may theoretically handle 144 Hz. Although the reason for this restriction is unknown, most users probably won't notice it. Although some users may find it slightly annoying, the in-screen fingerprint scanner is dependable and quick. Face recognition with the front camera performs best in well-lit environments. The Xiaomi 14T Pro, which is powered by the Dimensity 9 3000 chipset, performs similarly to more costly Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 flagships. Based on a 4nm technology, the processor has 8 cores and supports up to 12 gigs of RAM in addition to 1 TB of storage. The phone performs admirably in artificial benchmarks, matching or exceeding smartphones equipped with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processors. But after prolonged, intense use, there is some throttling, especially in taxing titles like Genshin Impact, where 30 minutes can cause frame rates to plummet to 45 frames per second. Even said, it runs incredibly well on less demanding titles like PUBG, operating without any problems at high settings. The software experience is further boosted by Xiaomi's MIUI, which offers thoughtful details like smooth animations and haptic feedback that feel premium. Additional value is added by AI-powered capabilities like photo object removal and real-time subtitle translation. With many Leica color profiles available on the 14T Pro, Xiaomi's partnership with Leica continues to pay off, giving images a distinctive, high-end appearance. Dynamic and detailed images are produced by the primary 50 megapixels camera, which has an f1.6 aperture and optical image stabilization. Even while it doesn't overly brighten scenes as some other smartphones do, the night mode impresses with its natural colors. Another standout feature is the telephoto lens, which has an optical zoom of 2.6x and 50 megapixels resolution. This lens produces beautiful portraits that have a lovely harmony between softness and detail. Comparing the wide-angle and telephoto lenses to the primary lens, the wide-angle camera performs worse and has less light sensitivity. Although it is powerful, the 32 megapixels front camera occasionally over-sharpens faces. Though most people would find 4K more useful, the Xiaomi 14T Pro enables 8K recording at 30 frames per second for video lovers. The stabilization function is good, and content producers can use it as a flexible tool with director mode and manual adjustments. The Xiaomi 14T Pro has a 5000 mAh battery that provides respectable, if not exceptional, durability. It has a 7-hour screen time on moderate use, and the standby drain is negligible. Naturally, prolonged gaming sessions will drastically shorten battery life. The phone charges quickly using 120-watt wired charging, taking just 40 minutes to charge from 0% to 100%. Additionally, it offers 50-watt wireless charging. However, a suitable charger is required for this feature. The Xiaomi 14T Pro is a great example of how flagship performance and price can coexist. Its subtle design is both comfortable and useful. For the price, the display and performance are excellent, and the camera system, especially with the Leica-enhanced features, makes it unique in its class. The Xiaomi 14T Pro is incredibly affordable compared to traditional flagship smartphones, making it a great option if you're searching for high-end features without going over budget. The Xiaomi 14T Pro is a great option if you're looking for a sub-flagship smartphone that doesn't compromise on features or performance. It may not have the design flair of a genuine flagship, but it delivers where it counts. Display, camera, and performance, all at a price that's hard to beat. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day and see you soon.